Alright guys, and now we will begin the tutorial on how to install this 120 watt power supply silencer onto your cryptocurrency miner. First, let's look at the three include items: the blower unit, the shroud, and a transparent bag. You may notice the shroud is already attached to the blower. Simply pull it off to separate them. And inside the transparent bag, you will find 2 fan emulators and 10 screws. Step 1. Removing the stock fans. We need to remove all 4 fans, front and the back, from the miner. Start by opening the top cover of the miner. Just simply remove the screws from the front to back. Alright, and after lift the cover off, locate the connectors for the 4 fans and then unplug them. And then remove the fans. Step 2. Installing the emulators. So take the 2 emulators from this transparent bag and plug them in to the ports where fans were just previously connected. Step 3. Attaching the shroud. So we locate the 4 medium-sized screws from this transparent bag and use this to attach the black shroud to the front of the miner, which is the side with network port. And important, you must use the screws I mentioned. Do not use the original fan screws, as they may cause damage to your miner. Step 4. Mounting the silencer. So take the silencer unit and ensure the side with the 2 screw holes is facing up. And use the 4 longest screws from the transparent bag to connect the silencer to the black shroud. Okay, so final step, we installing the control panel. So we fit the switch control panel onto the silencer and connect it with the 2 small holes and secure it using the 2 smallest screws from the transparent bag. Alright guys, and that's it. Thank you guys for watching. That's it for the video today. And also let me know what you guys want to see in the next video.